there's other options as well, and we can have a lot of fun with Halloween here.
Yeah, we have Tsiknakis from Monarch Diner in Glassboro to show us some fun Halloween-themed food. And this is fun. This is looking very Halloweenish.
This is a nice setup here. So you've got some peppers here, you explained, right?
Yes.
So this is just like a variation on some normal peppers that you normally have on your in your menu here.
Yes.
Right?
So every Tuesday we do the stuffed traditional peppers at the diner. We decided to put a little twist to it, make them look like jack-o'-lanterns.
Right. Very clever.
So this is a little twist that we added. You can also be a little creative and also add a little bit of the pepper sauce on top, cap it up.
Right.
You could also throw some cheddar cheese on top. Who doesn't like any cheddar cheese?
Right.
And a little bit of black sesame just to add a little bit of a Halloween twist to it.
Got it.
What do you stuff your peppers with? Because I know it varies.
So at the diner we stuff it with a ground beef, braised ground beef and rice mixture. It is a long process. We do have the recipe available on PHL's website.
Yeah, we're gonna put a link on there for you. And one of the other things you have too is the pumpkin.
Yes.
Pumpkin pancakes.
So we're gonna try to make some pumpkin pancakes real quick.
I would imagine this is a huge favorite this time of year.
This time of the year we sell more pumpkin pancakes than we do any other item in the morning. So
what are you putting in real quick as you
so we have eggs, we have some vegetable oil, some milk.
Okay.
We're gonna flour, of course, was the first ingredient. Sugar. We put as much as you'd like pumpkin filling.
Okay.
If you like a lot of pumpkin, put a lot. If you like a little bit of a flavor, you know, keep it light.
So obviously, the more that you put in, the more
you get the flavor, right? And this is a pumpkin spice mixture. It's nutmeg, cinnamon, and cloves, ground cloves.
Okay, got it.
So we throw that in there, and that really gives it a nice flavor. You mix it up. You also throw a little bit of coloring for color, a little vanilla flavor, and baking powder.
Wow, there's a lot of stuff going on in here.
Yes.
I like it.
But we have one ready to go.
Right, we already have the batter. So.
Yep. So what we do is...
We just did some Food Network stuff right there.
You just make sure that your pan is nice and hot.
Right.
With a little bit of oil just so it's not sticking.
And how long are we cooking on the side? You
want your pancakes to bubble. Right when they bubble, you flip them with one of these spatulas.
That's a little insider trick right there.
Absolutely.
Right.
And we have some ready pancakes here.
And Paul, while this one is cooking real quick, tell us a little bit about the Monarch Diner, because you guys are going to be celebrating the year anniversary early next year, right?
Yes, February would be our 1-year anniversary. Please join us. We will probably have nice festivities and great specials for all our customers at that point.
Yeah, Paul, you guys are located in?
We're located in Glassboro, New Jersey, right by Rowan University.
Easy to get to.
Easy to get to.
Right.
500 Delsey Drive. Monarch Diner, NJ.com is our website.
Yeah, we've got a little bit of information on the Monarch Diner for you there. So it looks like our pancake is really close to bubbling, right? So
it's bubbling right now.
Nick, can you hand me a fork in there?
Yes, I can. Why would you need a fork? Are you going to try it or something?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, all right.
I'm going to try this one because Paul made me a little miniature one. So this is bite size.
So you don't want to flip it too early.
Okay, so you can actually tell if it's early or not to flip then, right?
Oh, yeah. You can feel it right on the...
Wow. Well done.
Oh, that was good.
Okay.
And you have your pumpkin pancake nice and fresh.
Cooking really quick,
yes.
we're going to do, can we do it real quick with the pepper jack-o'-lanterns?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. Okay. Go ahead. So,
all right, Monica.
Let's see who can make a nice jack-o'-lantern
out of
good. She's too busy eating, so we're going to get started. So what do we got to do here?
Okay, so you make the eyes.
Okay.
Then you make the nose.
You just cut them out.
And you just cut them out in triangles.
Just enjoy over there, okay?
And keep on making triangles for the teeth. And if Monica needs a dentist after this, I can.
Hey, I got the eyes.
After that candy contest over there. Oh, you're good.
I went the other way.
You're good. You're good, but I got the whole deal here.
You did.
Yourself.
Okay. And once again, more information, you can go to our website. We've got a link to Monarch Diner and the recipes that you saw there. Really
Absolutely.
cool. The pumpkin pancakes and these jack-o'-lantern peppers.
This is looking good. Someone's going to lose a finger here. I'm going to lose a tooth. You're going to lose a finger.
Monica, you just keep eating, okay?
This is deliciousness.
Okay. I got the nose there, too. Paul, thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it.
We appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys.
That's some speed carving right there. So, appreciate it. All right.
Thank you.
When we come back, we've got your Hollywood headlines coming up on PHL 17 Morning News.